it's time for? It's time to get ridiculous. This is the ridiculous song. Welcome. Fungus. That's who it's by. Or Fungus. Wink, wink. What's this blue thing right here? It's one of those grabby things. It uses to grab things from a distance, such as this camera case. The song is dedicated to everything in the world that's ridiculous. That's spelled R-I. That's all I knew, cause I've got terrible spelling. My name's Devin Rainey Perron Sinclair, here with Lennon, Thomas, Wayne, Fearoy. Both got long names, cause that's how we roll, you know. Cause where the long names are the way to go. Long names are ridiculous. This song is ridiculous. These Aggies are ridiculous. This hat, where's the hat? This hat's ridiculous. That hat's ridiculous. This phone is ridiculous. This other phone is ridiculous. Everything's ridiculous. Oops, I said dick. There we go again. Everything is ridiculous. Everything is ridiculous. Everything in this world, from the hats to the cats to the dogs to the sweaters to the shutter shades. Our band is ridiculous. You know why it's ridiculous? Cause we don't know what we're singing about. He comes up with the guitar riffs, I come up with the singing, we come up with the video making. It's fucking ridiculous. Just like lava lamps. You're ridiculous. Mudge is ridiculous too! Don't scream like that, because I don't like those! Mama never loved me. Daddy didn't either. Got thrown through a wall. Ever been through a wall? Well, I have. It tickles. What is the song? What is this song? What is this song? This song is ridiculous. Just like pickles. And these glasses. And Mom's cooking.